Yup. Alright, gonna keep it simple, very quick and easy. Let's go through this. Alright, so yesterday we had a nice setup right here. Alright, setup came up at 11:30, price came down, came back up to it around noon to 2 o'clock. Alright, so you see that 12:51 to 2 o'clock is when this price action actually worked out. Um, right over here, double top. Alright, let's see, there's a time frame that gives us a clearer look. Let's see here, we got, alright, sell up here, drop, drop, drop. Alright, so it's setting up on the 15, came back up, right, right, and then boom. Alright, this would have been a nice little trade. I was too exhausted to take it. That's what the 30-minute gives us. The 30 gives us a good setup. Alright, so we got buy, buy, buy. Oh, absorption. So we got absorption on the 30. So these candles are basically absorption candles. Alright, and we can see that we had to sell, and I'm gonna go backwards so that we have buying here and buying there, and then price comes down, sell, and kind of holds, and then it came back and gave it another sell. So this entry would be right about here. Alright, so about there, right? So these are basically absorption candles. So I guess when these are happening, keeping an eye on maybe the higher time frames. Let's see, because then we have this one here at 11. No, this one is the beginning of the absorption candle. This one is not going to be absorption. I thought we're getting another absorption candle right here from this one here. Alright, so from just like that, I don't think it would be absorption. Let's go to the 1 hour. Alright, so sell 4 hour. Alright, too much of the 4 hour. 15 minutes. Alright, just faded blue. Alright, just can't get above that. 5 minutes again. Let's go back to the 5 minutes. Alright, so you can see there's no absorption. Alright. There's none. There. 1 minute. Alright, so too much going on. So can't really find anything in that woman. Look how crazy this is. So a 30-minute is probably the best one. Maybe the 15, but the 30-minute with the sell here. Right, strong sell, sell, all through, came back and retest. Right, so we're gonna clear all of this out. I don't really have much I can work with. Based on what these charts are giving me, I don't really have anything. I'm gonna clear these, get rid of that box. We're back inside that level. This is below it. Let's put this in a higher time frame so I can see exactly where we're at. So we're below. So yeah, Monday we popped up. So maybe we're trying to fill out the gap. So this going down is probably gonna fill this one up. Yes, and then Q up. I don't really have any true levels I can work with. This is one that I am going to keep with. This is the high of yesterday. Right, high from yesterday. Let it go from here to there. All right, so I'm gonna mark it like this. That. That. Boom. All right, so this is an area to pay attention to. Let's mark the low from yesterday, which is this right here. So see how price works around it. So if price comes back to it and bounce, we'll be looking for price opens up and come back and buys and buy. We'll look for that run up back to that level. Alright, that's basically what I really have to work with based on what I've seen last week. You know, so I'm going to look for an aggressive buy here and then continue up higher. That's all I'll be looking for. Right, so it would just be a I don't know, a low buy low, I don't know. Alright, and then we're aiming for about 20 points. Alright, we do have this to be cautious of because this is something. Alright, you have this to be cautious of. So I will mark that because that is something that is important. So that's basically it. 18th was Friday. Strong volume. Okay, that's basically it. Let's throw in settlement price. Alright, so today Powell is supposed to be speaking right now, 8:30, and then 10 o'clock. Alright, so yeah, I don't really have anything I can really work with. Let's add settlement price. Okay, so we got that, right? Alright, so let's go to NQ. Let's go straight to NQ settlement price. Alright, so we're that. Get rid of this. We're gonna mark this top part here. It's also the high. Alright, oh, said that was a nice double top that we could have had. It is what it is. It's gonna be a little bit more aggressive with my thanks. Let's mark the low. I don't really see. Low's way over here. Alright, isn't this part of the low? This part of the low. There. that's a low. Right, so looking for price to also come back and bounce into here and move up. Settlement price is kind of friggin' high. Okay. Alright, so got the highs and lows. This area here I'm not gonna mark. Okay, let's go to VIX. The lows right here. High over here. Alright, cool. Alright. Alright, so we can see that as far as ES goes, right, we are coming into buying territory. Alright, so buying here, so either we bounce off of this and buy up, or we come down lower and buy, or lower and buy, or any lower and buy. Alright, I think we're likely going to keep going up for the most part. That's what I'm thinking. We still got this to go to. Another 400 points, which is shit can happen in one day. We've seen some weirder shit, so it can happen in one day. I think we had like a day where price just 648 points, 361 points. So could happen in one day. 454 points, 364 points. So right now we are small, but from here to here, yeah, that's like peanuts compared to these. All right, so possible price could just say, ah, fuck it, let's go up, right? And then this is where I'll be looking for potential reversals. But right now, this likely might be a tough spot because we did sell off strongly here, but we bought higher and we're holding. We bought stronger and we're holding. So even though we have that, all right. So I'm going to respect these. This is the level I want price to go to. It does need to clear that. All right. So that's what I'll be looking for. All right. I am done. I think I'm going to take me a nap and try to refresh my brain as much as I can. We already went over news. Powell should be speaking right now. News at 10 o'clock. Coca-Cola came out. It will come out this morning. So, and then SAP, not SMP, SAP. I think QQQ comes out this week also. Got the Dow, Nasdaq. There it is. All right. I don't know about S&P. All right, so that's it. Tesla, it'll have interesting earnings tomorrow. All right, catch you later.